आगे दिखना भी चाहिए।
Hello friends, this is a gas turbine engine. While in the atmosphere, it produces thrust in the forward direction that enable an aircraft to propel. The question is, how does this gas turbine engine produces thrust? Does it produce thrust by sucking in the mass of airflow from the front and accelerating it by adding fuel energy to the mass of airflow? Does the accelerated air from the propelling nozzle strikes the outside air, the impact of which causes the engine to make aircraft propel in the forward direction? Now this is a very common misunderstanding about thrust among the fresh mechanics. Have you ever thought, how does a rocket produces thrust in space? Since there is no outside air, there is space. Since there is no outside air upon which the accelerated gases could impact on, then what still makes the rocket to propel in the forward direction? Watch this video again. And this one too. Upon firing the bullet, the shooter feels a jerk or shock in the opposite direction. This shock or jerk in the opposite direction is the thrust. If we compare this gas turbine engine with a gun, then consider the accelerated air as the bullet fired from the gun. The shock of the gun upon firing the bullet is actually the thrust of the engine. Remember the third law of motion. To every action which is the accelerated air, there is an equal and opposite reaction which is the thrust. I hope the video helped understanding the concept of thrust. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe our channel Aircraft Maintenance Engineering. This is Farukh Qureshi. Bye for now.